This 2002 Ford F150's back with the little shackle issue. He's complaining because it's only half broke. I told him it's good enough, but he wants to be safe or something, so I'm gonna do this side and see how this one comes apart. Okay, let's see if this one comes off any different than the other side. Ooh, that's turning. I'm getting half lucky. Ooh, that one's turning. Well, that's not. Yeah, it's only half broke. You're fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Ooh. Yeah, that's
Wow, it's cracked on the inside, right?
really nice. That's really nice stuff. It's a different way. I think I want to lift up both sides. I don't know. Shit. Yeah, they give you that leaf spring bushing too, but I'm not putting it in there. Why making more work for myself? That thing just fell right in. The other side was a pain in the ass.
Remember the torch, the grinding wheels, and
Yeah. Well, that's how the thing's supposed to go in.
right?
There, done. How do you like me now?